Okay, so let's upload it. I put the camera right there. Use to its fixtures. Also uses 1.28 gallons for flush. This is 1.28. This is 1.2. You can't even see it well, like right there. 1.2. You can't even see it. 1.28 gallons. Ouch. There, it's locked. Sorry guys, the way vlogs is trying to get in here, so there's still this is like 2000 papers made 2007. This is 2008 on the tank. April 30, 2008. This is right there, April 30, 2008. Okay, so here we go. This is 1.28 gallons per flush. I just have this done for a year now. Got it last Christmas. 2016, December 24. This toilet's kind of a bit old. Got this toilet like somewhere. It's totally replaced though with 1997 Vitromix toilet. Last October 2016. I think like October 15, 2016. Yeah, this is what's gonna happen later. This is what happened, guys. My old YouTube account got terminated for violating YouTube's community guidelines. Yeah. I got like 5 copyright strikes on my old channel called Ramon Gomez 2010-11. 5 copyright strikes on my old YouTube channel. Okay, so it is YouTube one 2008, so tape plate's very light. Okay. Alright, so still I'm gonna upload this video later, like January 2nd. Okay. See you later. Bye guys. Okay. See you guys a bit.